Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to format hierarchy in Power BI. So I've got this histogram here with me, and all I've got is sales amount by country, and I can drill down to the next level. So let me just click on this. I can see the sales amount by different cities, and I can go up a level, and let me just go down a level where we want to see the country name as well as the city name. And you can all of a sudden see that there's just too much information on the x-axis. So there's a way to make this better. What you need to do is, let me just go up a level. You need to go on to the formatting tab with the visual selected and go to x-axis. And what you need to do is go down to concatenate labels and turn it off. So once I've turned it off, now if I go to the next level, nothing's happening. So what's going on? So this is slightly tricky. What you need to do is, you need to go to sort by. So let me just select this, and with the next level where we are on, you go to sort by and then you select this. So you're essentially saying selected sorted by English, country, region name and the city. So you might have to go to the lowest level of hierarchy and then do the sorting. So this is important. So let me just go here and do this. And now if I toggle up and go down, all of a sudden you can see that United States is there, and I can scroll through, and then United Kingdom becomes available, and then we got Germany, France, and then how it's basically dividing that. So it's a different sort of formatting, and it's a lot easier to follow the information now. So this is one way of formatting, and you can use this for date hierarchies, and you can use it to format other hierarchies when you want to show multiple levels of the hierarchy. But please do remember to sort that. So you need to turn the concatenate labels off, and also need to have the sort by option enabled. So I hope you find this visual useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers.